My name is Coach Jimmy, and did you know that I lost 100 pounds? And after losing the 100 pounds, I actually put back on 20 pounds of lean muscle mass. And in all my fitness journey, regardless if you're trying to lose weight or put on muscle, one thing's been consistent, and that's the shake that I have every day. And I'm gonna show you how I make it coming up next. Coach Jimmy here, and on this channel, I teach tips and tricks and strategies to help you live your best life. And I know as a lifestyle entrepreneur, when I've achieved anything, building businesses, traveling, really creating the life that I desire, it all started with my health and fitness. And once I got control of that, all these other opportunities really opened up for me. So I wanted to share with you today the exact shake I drink every day that I truly believe has helped me not only lose 100 pounds and be able to keep it off, put on 20 pounds of muscle, but it's also helped me perform better mentally. It's helped me have more energy. It's helped me just crush it in life all around so much better, and it's so easy to make. So let's jump right in. So this shake has evolved over the years, and so you may not have the time or all the ingredients that I'm gonna show you here, but one thing has never changed. If I have some extra time, I'm gonna make what I'm about to show you. If I have no time and I'm on the go, the one thing I never miss is the base of the shake, and that is Shakeology. And I choose Shakeology because it's not just a protein powder. It really, truly is an entire meal replacement. It is the healthiest meal of the day because I get my protein, I get my enzymes, my digestive enzymes, my phytonutrients, 70 superfoods. If it's just something to go, stick it in a shaker cup, shake it with water, and chug it because I know how fantastic it is for my body. It's Shakeology. I today am using the vegan chocolate flavor. I'm not a vegan, but I like the vegan formulation a whole lot better than I like the whey formulation. So that's just me. So sometimes when it comes back to muscle building, we're always looking to supplement a little extra protein, and I told you I wasn't a vegan, and so one of the things that I use is the Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides. So this, it even says right here, supplement helps with hair, skin, nails, joint, and bone. As we're all getting older, we get a little creaky, but I'm in the best shape of my life at 40 years old, and so I supplement 2 scoops of this with my Shakeology. Boom. There is protein in this, and here it's pea protein mostly, I think, and with the collagen, perfect combo. Getting in our healthy fats, super vital. And so what I do for that is really twofold here. I love Bulletproof. I love the company Brain Octane oil. And it's just like it says, you can do your research. In fact, I'm gonna put the links for all of these products in the description below. But Brain Octane oil, it's so good for you. It's a derivative of coconut oil, and it's a great healthy fat for your skin, for your eyes, and really for your brain capacity. And then who didn't love just good old-fashioned almond butter? I gotta be careful with this because I could literally sit and eat an entire jar of this. You know you want it, but just a little bit goes a long way. In addition to that, a lot of people like green juice. I think is a key word. It's a hot button topic, right? Everybody wants what's the best green juice. Well, before green juice was ever coming out, what I loved about going along with Shakeology is that Beachbody had their own Power Green packet. And I've looked at other green juices and powders on the market, and this thing stacks up, man. It just doesn't play around. And so I throw an extra packet of this in, even though they say that Shakeology is like going to the salad bar 7 times. I always throw in an extra packet of my Power Greens as well. It helps alkalinize the body. So much of what we do every day is acidic, and this is gonna help that as well. The next thing is, I think a lot of people really wig out and freak out about sugar, and I used to be that way, think no sugar in my no sugar in my diet. But one of the things that I've been starting to use recently that my chiropractor, who's also the chiropractor for the Dallas Stars hockey team, very respected professional, really got me using was Manuka honey. This is my Manuka honey here. And again, because I want to keep this video short, I don't want to get into all the benefits of Manuka honey. I'm going to link that up in the description below. But this stuff, it helps so much. Again, joints, it helps with allergies. It helps with literally like the healing process if you have nicks. It's just great for your immune system. So I just put about a teaspoon in here as well. And then last but not least, and this one's optional, I don't do this every day, a good old-fashioned banana. Great energy source, especially if you're doing some really intense workouts. You know, personally for me, I do all sorts of different workouts. I do my Beachbody On Demand, which is things like Body Beast and Insanity and P90X, Paleo. I also lift really heavy 3 or 4 times a week. I work with my CrossFit coach, Chip Phillips, and we do all your traditional, really intense CrossFit movements as well. And, you know, I actually go do things with a running club, November Project here in Dallas. And so for me, I gotta keep my body fueled. So certain days when I'm feeling a little run down, good old fashioned banana as well. Last but not least is what are you gonna mix this all with? And for me, I like almond milk. Not all almond milks are created equally. I get unsweetened because I have my sugars in the banana. There's a little bit of sugar, natural sugar, from the Shakeology, obviously the honey, so I don't need an almond milk chalked with a lot of extra sugar. And really read your labels. This here, less than 1 gram of sugar, and this is the Trader Joe's almond beverage original unsweetened. But you can find so many unsweetened almond milks as well. And just like that, it's nice, it's thick, it reminds me of a Frosty. And how much better when healthy can it taste that amazing. Thank you so much. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Like I said, all the ingredients are in the description below. If this was helpful, if you're enjoying the videos that I'm making for you, hey, do me a favor, think about subscribing. I'd really appreciate it. We could be better friends that way. And let me know what else you want to hear. Thank you so much for this time. I would love to know some of your favorite recipes. Leave a comment below. Let me know how you're taking care of your health and fitness in order to crush it in life in all different areas. My name is Coach Jimmy, and we'll talk real soon.